लेटर H1 यूरोप का एक ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशन जहां हर व्यू लगता है जैसे पोस्टकार्ड से निकला हो। And in today's episode, we are heading to one of the most magical places in the entire continent, Jungfrau-Joch, famously known as the top of Europe.
Good morning. Now we are in Switzerland. We'll be moving towards Jungfrau today, top of Europe. There will be three mode of transport. One will be going by bus, then we will take a gondola, cable car to a half station, and from there we will be taking a train ride inside the mountain.
आज हम आ गए हैं स्विट्जरलैंड यूरोप का एक ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशन जहां हर व्यू लगता है जैसे पोस्टकार्ड से निकला हो। And in today's episode, we are heading to one of the most magical places in the entire continent, Jungfrau-Joch, famously known as the top of Europe.
As our coach winds through the scenic Swiss countryside, every frame feels like a postcard. Lush green meadows, cozy wooden chalets, and the snow-clad Alps rising majestically in the background. और फिर हम रुक गए एक छोटी सी स्टॉप पे, लेक बेंज. Guys, trust me, the view here was straight out of painting. Crystal clear turquoise water, mountains all around, और हमने यहाँ एक क्विक फोटो स्टॉप भी किया. उसके बाद शुरू होता है हमारा रियल एडवेंचर. हम पहुँचते हैं ग्रिंडेलवाल्ड, the best station for our cable car ride. As soon as we reached Grindelwald, excitement double हो गया. The view from here itself was straight out of a fairy tale. Tiny wooden houses, green slopes, and snow shining in the distance.
Very good. So if you see, look down. ध्यान इसके अंदर होना चाहिए. इसके हर एक पॉइंट का एक्सप्लेनेशन आपके बुक में है. Just look into your books. I'll give you a quick brief. So tour follow करने का sign you have to just follow TOUR, tour. It's one directional tour. You start from one point, you come back from the another side. Okay? So it's very easy. Only 1.5 घंटा लिखा, 45 minutes to 1 hour you come back. This is what overall experience. Okay? The tour starts. The first point is 360 degrees.
We have reached From here, we switched to a cogwheel train, the iconic red and white Jungfrau train that climbs all the way up to the 3,454 meters, taking us to Jungfrau-Joch, the top of Europe. और जैसे ही हम टॉप पे पहुँचे, बस एक ही वर्ड, वाह. स्टेशन में पहुँचने के बाद हम लोग फर्स्ट लंच के लिए अपने रेस्टोरेंट गए, जहाँ पर we greeted with a welcome drink to the top of Europe. We explored the ice palace, जहाँ हर टनल और स्कल्पचर बना है पूरी आइस से, एकदम मैजिकल. Then we went up to the Spinix observatory deck for a 360 panoramic view of the Hallstatt glacier, the longest glacier in the Alps. Believe me, it's one of those moments you will never forget. टेक में सडनली स्नोफॉल होने लगा और एवरी मोमेंट वाज चेरिशेबल. सब ने बहुत एंजॉय किया यहाँ पे. After soaking in the breathtaking views, we began our descent and made our way to Interlaken, a beautiful Swiss town perfectly located between Lake Thun and Lake Benge. यहाँ का वाइब बिल्कुल पीसफुल था. Narrow street, cozy cafes and postcards, perfect scenery all around. From thrilling heights to peaceful lakes, आज का दिन truly था Swiss perfection. Snow, sunshine and smiles. Another unforgettable chapter from our Europe journey. This is episode 8, Switzerland, brought to you by Touch for